My name is Mark Wagner. I'm from the Cabinet Shop. Presently we're standing in at one of our customers' kitchens. What you see here is a cherry kitchen with granite countertops. The unique thing about the Cabinet Shop is we can bring custom kitchens to you at an affordable price, very similar to a stock cabinet price with a customization. We take the kitchen right from the initial concept point. We do all the design work. We do 100% of the work right down to the painting of the house. The kitchen that I'm standing in has our under cabinet lighting underneath it. I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on real quick for you. It's also dimmable. The advantage of our under cabinet lighting is there's no molding that hides the lighting, therefore we have 18 inches of space underneath the kitchen. This kitchen here has many lights up in the ceiling behind the glass cabinets. There's many displays in this cabinet kitchen that you'll see. We also have some decorative tile that frames the range hood. So if I walk over here to the left, a very decorative, beautiful tile underneath a custom range hood. The next thing I'd like to show you is a new trend that we're finding in kitchens. The sink, instead of being a double bowl sink, is a large single bowl sink. We also have a pull-out faucet with a sprayer built into it. The sprays have also changed on it.
Hi, I'm Linda Crowley. I'm a recent customer of the Cabinet Shop. I wanted to tell you a little bit about my design and kitchen experience with the Cabinet Shop. We were able to work with Mark in designing a baking area. So I have a recessed counter and then storage that look like drawers, but for my mixer. The beauty of working with the Cabinet Shop is that you have the ability to make your dream come true. I was surprised to find out how affordable different functions could be, in that I would see something and say, oh, I can't afford that, but then Mark was able to work with me and adjust to find a way to make it happen.
We're presently standing in the master bathroom. What you'll notice about this bathroom, first of all, is where the vanity is placed. In this original floor plan of this house, there was a sunken garden tub in front of the window, which most people don't use. So what we've done here is we've actually sheetrocked over the large window, keeping the full structure on the outside. It allowed us to move the vanity, give this specific bathroom a bigger shower. It's a large custom shower with all digital controls. To turn the shower on, you push the power button on the main controller. By pushing the diverter button underneath, it will change the water flow from going from the shower head or the handheld directly to a body spray. You'll also notice on the handheld unit, there's a diverter valve that'll change it from the handheld to the main shower head. The shower head and the handheld also have 4 different sprays. Has an aerated spray, has a normal spray, and has 2 functions that are very easily used to clean the shower, where it gives you a little bit more of a jet-powered spray, so it's easy to clean your shower after you're done.